on. Oh! Ho, ho, ho! Do you want to get rich quick? Then buy a lottery ticket and hope for the best. If you want to get rich for sure, you have to provide either a product or service of value. I've spent the past 10 years of my life trying many different ways of making money online. And by far, the quickest and easiest way that I have found is by selling on eBay. I make over $100,000 every single year by selling simple items like this. And I've helped hundreds of people make thousands of dollars every single month. So if you want more money so you can buy more toys, buy a nice house, or quit that dreaded 9 till 5, then click the link down below and I'll show you how. We got AS Steve in the house. We got other Steve in the house. Ah, back we come out again. Uh-oh. What is it, Steve? What is it?
It's a savage.
Hey!
AS, baby!
AS, baby! What? What happened? What happened? That should have teeth on it. Oh dear.
What did you do?
Dear me.
Oh, you're broken.
Oh.
Next!
Next! Oh. Oh! That broke it. That broke it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. The old indestructible body's taking a good beating, guys. Hey, nice landing. Something fell off of there.
That might be a bit fat. Yeah, it's a bit fat. I don't rate those Absema fans, look. Oh no, it still works! Oh, it's fine, look! It still works!
What is it?
Absema! Abysmal! Actually not too bad.
What happened?
Fuck it.
I broke it really badly.
That's that unlimited engineering shock shaft broken. Right, that's it. I think we're going to call it a day on this one. It's all broken. Everything's dead.
Let's smash it to bits.
Oh. What happened? What happened?
I just looked up and it was on its back and the tyres were facing me. Oh my god.
Whoa! Oh my god! Oh! Oh, look! Oh! It. You get it up?
No.
So why is it faster now?
Oh, put some 20,000 white oil in the certain diff,
Ah, right.
so it's not leaning back and spinning the front up so much.
And what have you done to this?
I've put completely slick tyres, locked all the diffs. And it's got 3S thrusters in it. So it's too much power, no traction whatsoever.
Yeah, slick tyres on wet grass. Alright, so now we've got this thing on 6S and Steve's going to give it a blast.
The speed run.
A speed run.
GPS on it and everything.
Have you? So how fast do you reckon it will go?
3.
3?
3.
3 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Nail it! Oh, wheels. Oh, something fell off.
Oh, it's probably the GPS.
Oh! Straight in the face! Oh my good God! Oh! Poor body shell.
I feel like that was new.
Oh, guys, I wonder what these Badlands would be like on this TRX4. It looks a bit silly, doesn't it? I don't know what it would perform like. I reckon it'll probably jump pretty well. Guys, it sucks, I think. Alright, well that kind of sucked, guys. So we'll try it with this one this time and see what happens with this.